Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video for Expert Village. And we are making a cell phone holder today. And we have finished our cell phone part, and now we have done the bottom, and this is the way it looks. So we're going to strengthen this bottom so that the shape will stay nice and round. And the way we do that is with our pliers. And we're just going to smash all of the stitches that we just did so they're nice and flat. And now when you get to this point, you're going to put it on the bottom and make sure that it's going to fit. If you need to make it a little bit bigger, you can just pull it out and make it bigger. If you need to make it a little bit smaller, you can just push it in, push all the stitches in, and the wire is very adaptable to make it for whatever size that you need to make it. But this one looks like it's going to fit just about right.